traffic, horns are honking, I've about had it. I'm looking for an exit sign. Gotta get out of here, get it all off my mind. Then like a memory from your grandpa's attic, a song comes slipping through the radio static, changing my mood. A little George Strait in 1982, and it makes me wanna take a back road. Makes me wanna take the long way home. Put a little gravel in my travel, unwind, unravel all night long. Makes me wanna grab my honey, tear down some two-lane country. Who knows? Get lost and get right with my soul. Makes me wanna take a back road. I've been cooped up, tied down, bow, forgotten what a field looks like, full of corn and cotton. If I'm gonna hit a traffic jam, well, it better be a tractor man. I'm so sick and tired of this interstate system. I need a curve and wind, a twist in a dusty path to nowhere, with the wind blowing through my baby's hair. Yeah, makes me wanna take a back road. Makes me wanna take the long way home. Put a little gravel in my travel, unwind, unravel all night long. Makes me wanna grab my honey, tear down some two-lane country. Who knows? Get lost and get right with my soul. Makes me wanna take a back road. Some old back road. Maybe it's the feeling, or maybe it's the freedom. Maybe it's that shady spot where we park the truck when things get hot. Girl, we park the truck when things get hot. And it makes me wanna take a back road. Makes me wanna take the long way home. Put a little gravel in my travel, unwind, unravel all night long. Makes me wanna grab you, honey, tear down some two-lane country. Who knows? Get lost and get right with my soul. Makes me wanna take a back road. Some old back road. Get back with my soul. Now all I gotta do is take some old back road to the shady spot where things get hot, girl. Way down, way down, way down, some old back road.
Down to this. Was it ever your fault? And endless waves, I know, start to feel like home. And I don't get it. This time I try to stand it, hold out once more. And it's alright, now I'm keeping you away, and you're starting to fade. And I don't mind now, taking the long way for the heart of my fears. And all these ones I keep, silence speak it all, intoxicate my veins, take me to the core. And I don't get it. This time I try to stand it, hold out once more. And it's alright, I'm keeping you away, and you're starting to fade, and I don't mind, now, taking the long way through the heart of my fears. Oh stranger, you take me to your heart and wash away. Oh stranger, you take me to your heart and wash away. Oh stranger, you take me to your heart and wash away. Oh no, no stranger, you take me to your heart and wash away. And it's alright, I'm keeping you away, and you're starting to fade, and I don't mind, now, taking the long way through the heart of my fears.
We've shared dreams under open skies. We've loved far and we've traveled wide. The best is yet to come. We danced out late in the pouring rain. Never lost hope, never lost the flame. And the best is yet to come. We've waited long enough by now. We've got a song and we should sing it out. There's a spark in you and a spark in me. So get up, let's take the lead. You shine bright like a million stars. So light up, the world is ours. The world is ours. We climbed mountains and we took the leap. Had our hearts broken and it cut so deep. But the best is yet to come. We've waited long enough by now. We've got a song, it's time to sing it loud. There's a spark in you and a spark in me. So
Stars were falling right out of the sky, falling slow like snow on my bed. We're brighter than bone by the light of the moon, softer than silver of a spider's thread. Oh my God, just the way that you breathe in, it feels like home to me. It feels like home. Oh my God, I can't believe it. It feels like home to me. It feels like home. Just under your skin, shaking the walls like thunder for fun. And I wanna stay just under your breath, but you got this way of holding my tongue. Oh my God, just the way that you breathe in, it feels like home to me. Feels like home. Oh my God, I can't believe it. It feels like home to me. It feels like home.
I could move on, moving on isn't easy. I'm tired of living with my eyes in the past, but you were the best thing that I never had. Wandering down this open road, secrets only summer knows. Reaching
watch your eyes under the trees, blue and sparkling back at me. Well, I wish I could let go, but I can't just yet. I wish I could move on, but moving on isn't easy. I'm tired of living with my eyes in the past, but you were the best thing that I never had. I could let go, but I can't just yet. I wish I could move on, but moving on isn't easy. I'm tired of living with my eyes in the past, but you were the best thing that I never had.